Right, I've got a treat here, and do you want to see my dog do a trick? Right, come on, can you see the floor? Because it's roasting on the floor. Sit! Football, spin! Dance!
I'm fine, not don't you take all the credit?
So, it's a very, very good dog. My sister learned it that. Oh, lemon, didn't you?
I'm a dad.
And Dad gave us her some and never listen to this actually, yeah. Don't disturb, start sleeping. Cause I'm always sleeping. Gonna do another trick you can do under my legs, but I'm wondering if you can see the floor now. No, under. Ow, under. Well done! Thank you. If you want to see more of my dance tricks, go to the second one, but if you don't, go to the third one. It's going to be about all my things now. Come and watch it! I have a very good third one because nearly all the family's going to be in it and all that, yeah.